I wanted to talk you through an example here. They gave us a set written in set builder notation, and they're asking us to turn it into a list. Okay, so they gave us this 2k plus 1, and then all these k values are 3, 4, and 5. So our plan here is to evaluate that 2k plus 1. So we're going to plug 3 in for k and get a number. And then we'll plug 4 in for k and get a different number. And we'll plug 5 in for k and get another number. So I'm going to start by making a table. If we're going to, let's do the 3 first. Okay. And I'm going to plug it into this 2 times k plus 1. So we'll do 2 times 3 plus 1. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is going to make that a 7. Now when I plug in 4, it's now 2 times 4 plus 1, so it's an 8 plus 1, we're looking at a 9. And the 5 works the same way. 2 times 5 plus 1 is going to make that a 10 plus 1, so that's an 11. Which means our answer here is going to be, I'm using the same C that they used earlier, right? The set C is actually going to be 7, 9, 11. Okay, it's a lot easier to read than that set builder notation, right? But like I mentioned earlier, not everything can be written into that list method.